Welcome to the era of the third eye. Unity and integrity for all.
Honorable guests, distinguished experts, and fellow citizens of the world, we stand today at the threshold of a civilizational transformation. A change deeper than the Industrial Revolution, faster than the Internet Revolution, and more powerful than the Space Revolution. For thousands of years, humanity has suffered because the honest were overpowered by the manipulative. Merit was defeated by favoritism. Talent was wasted due to inequality. Nations spent more on repairing mistakes than building excellence. But now, with AI.3i, the world's first ethical governance engine, we finally have the power to correct these historical errors. This is not merely an app. This is a parallel intelligence system capable of lifting humanity to its highest potential. A revolution in human learning. We are witnessing the rebirth of education, a revolution where AI supports teachers, not replaces them, where every child, from KG to PhD, receives personalized, step-by-step guidance that adapts to their pace, style, and ambition. Imagine a world where every student is guided to the right lecture, right book, right simulation. A personal AI teacher is available 24/7, patient and multilingual. Research is evaluated without human bias. Cost of education drops to almost zero, making elite learning free. This is the future unfolding before us. How AI.3i transform education, personalized learning roadmaps, curated videos, books, tests, and pathways made uniquely for each child. Universal accessibility villages without teachers leapfrog into global standard classrooms. With AI.3i, governance becomes transparent, infrastructure becomes permanent, education becomes universal, corruption becomes punishable.
But the cost of governance failure is exploding. Bridges collapse within years. Projects overrun endlessly. Talent remains unused. Merit loses to manipulation. Corruption repeats without fear. We live in an age where satellites can detect a coin on Earth. AI can defelt world champions, and data travels at the speed of light.
Today, families are divided, not by distance, but by misunderstanding.
Third eye symbolizes higher consciousness. Similarly, AI.3i offers a higher level of intelligence through deep data analysis. Its purpose, to quantify hidden losses, the direct and indirect costs that society routinely overlooks, but which silently weaken families, institutions, and nations. 2. Solving the generation gap and social friction. The video highlights how the generation gap fuels disagreements, mistrust, and inefficiency. AI.3i acts as a neutral arbitrator, providing objective, data-driven truth that both sides can trust. It replaces arguments with evidence and confusion with clarity. Measuring the invisible economy of waste. A central theme is the scientific measurement of waste. AI.3i envisions a future where society can finally quantify indirect losses, missed opportunities, wrong decisions, behavioral inefficiencies. Ancient structures like Taj Mahal, 400 years, Qutub Minar, 800 years, Indian temples and forts, 1,000 plus years, still stand. But today, newly built bridges collapse in months, highways flood after one rain, smart cities fail drainage tests. Billions are wasted in reconstruction. The reason is simple. Our systems reward completion, not quality, and reward contractors, not citizens. AI.3i fixes this forever through real-time quality scoring, AI-based DPR checks, terrain and flood prediction, structural integrity audits, transparent contractor ranking, continuous monitoring of faults. For the first time, 100% quality is achievable. R&D, disaster prevention, and climate resilience. AI.3i can guide nations to select the right scientific equipment, process billions of data points, and forecast earthquakes, flash floods, sky bursts, urban waterlogging, structural failures, climate-triggered disasters. The enables a merit-first world where the honest finally rise faster than the dishonest.